Oh hi, I'm Greg Melanson and this is Behind the Spring. Today we're going to learn about the people behind the spring. Our team members are our greatest asset, so let's go hear what they have to say. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me here today. First question, what's the coolest process at Vulcan and what does it accomplish? Ooh, good question. I would have to say coiling our constant torque springs. The process has some incredible science, but it also feels a little bit like magic too. And the result is amazing. The performance that it imparts in the springs and the effect it has is really one of my favorite processes here.
I think personally the coolest process at Vulcan is filming and planning the behind the spring videos. They not only show what our springs go into, but they educate people who may not be familiar with the industry, why springs are so important across various industries.
Well, for me, I would say the coolest process is our EDM machines because we can cut anything to any shape and it's within a couple tenths of a thousandth for being like perfect. So I mean, we can make all kinds of different cutoff punches and forms and different things that would be really hard to make without those machines.
Another question for you. Which of the industries we serve inspires you the most? Definitely our aerospace and defense sector. I love designing springs for our satellite applications, especially when they're ones that we can read about in the news, like NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, also known as the DART mission. Incredible project to be a part of.
For me, I think it's the aerospace industry. I think it's incredible that springs that are made here at Vulcan Spring leave this planet and are a part of space exploration and finding new discoveries.
For me, it would be the aerospace and medical fields. Aerospace is really cool. Like, we're going out. We went to asteroid Bennu. We worked on the James Webb Space Telescope. So we have like all kinds of crazy new things that we got to kind of indirectly and directly be a part of, and it's exciting.
Okay, here's a tricky one. How do you think spring making will be different 100 years from now? Well, hopefully more hoverboards. Besides that though, I'm going to say more composites and synthetic materials used in spring making. Right now, 301 stainless steel is very prevalent in our industry and it's amazing material, but I'd like to see what else is out there. I think there's definitely some new opportunities to explore.
I'm not sure. I did hear something about hoverboards, but what I can say 100 years from now, I think springs will be just as important across various industries as they are now, which is incredible.
I think 100 years from now, springs are definitely going to get like smaller, or it's going to be more shifted towards like aerospace and medical industry. I don't think we're going to see as many like display springs as we do nowadays. I think we'll see more technological things for like aerospace and medical parts.
Okay, if you didn't work at Vulcan, what would you do instead? Ooh, whatever Bill Nye the Science Guy's job description is, probably that. Or an astronaut.
If I didn't have my job at Vulcan, I think I'd want to be a professional pastry chef or some sort of cook, give Gordon Ramsay a run for his money.
I would probably either be working in like another machine shop or a lab somewhere, just, kind of whatever I fell into.
We hope you've enjoyed hearing from our team. Thanks for watching.